Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the monthly chart of Euro USD. Euro USD is in upward trend, but for this we will have to watch this in detail. Now what level is this? This is this is the strong support where from it has been rejected. Watch here for how many times this was a strong support. While coming down here, it worked as support. Here it was support. Here it was support, and this pair was sent to the upward from this strong level. This is strong support, and the level at which the pair is touching to was also a support here, and these both of the levels were broken while coming down, and this level has worked as support also, but then broke down, and now it is coming upward and retesting this monthly support. Now let us move to the weekly time frame for detailed analysis. On the weekly time frame, this was a weekly resistance where this pair stayed for some weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks, then came down, and when it came to this level, while this level worked as resistance here and support here, and for how many weeks it remained there. First week when it came here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, after about 8 weeks. So these are both of the levels where this pair stand for weeks, and while coming down for 1, 2, 3, for 4 weeks, for 3 weeks we may say that it remained here, and while going upward, this level was used as support. From this support went up to this level. Now in the previous week it has been rejected. Why? Watch this, how strong rejection is this in the previous week. Now let us move to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this was the level which worked as a resistance here as well as support previously, and now this is comprehensively rejected to the upward. Now let us move to the 4-hour time frame for further. Now watch here. In the 4-hour time frame, this was the level that was resistance and comprehensively broke to the downward, and from this strong higher time framework, higher time frame zone level, it has been going to the upward. Now in the 4-hour time, these are the high range 4 hours. Is it just the retest of this level? Because this 4-hour shows that this pair is in downward trend. This 4-hour setup is showing the against the all higher time frames. Now let us move to the 1-hour time frame for the this level. Now let me put the horizontal line on these 4 hours. This is the 4-hour level. Now the pair is near to whether it has come to retest this or what is happening here. Let us zoom in to watch this. On the 4-hour time frame, this is the level. If this is the retest, then the pair is expected to go down. But for this we will have, this is the 1 hour time frame, but for this, watch this how the strong rejection was, and the pair has come again to this 1 hour level. Here it was the resistance, though for some time it went up to the higher level, but it was rejected. Now, is this the rejection again? Now, let us move to the 15 minutes time again. Now, 4 hour is telling the another story against the higher time frames. Now, on the 15 minutes, watch here. On the 15 minutes, we will have to watch the higher range. These were the 15 minutes that were the higher range, and these have been broken to the upward. So let me put the horizontal line on these 15 minutes. These are the high range 15 minutes. Now let me send it to these are the high. If these 4 hours were expected to reject this, then the rejection was expected from these 15 minutes of high range. Actually, from this level. Though here it was resistance, but it has been now broken to the upward. So now it is expected, and here also it came down, but now retesting these 15 minutes. This is the 15 minutes. So it is high probability that this level will not be broken to the downward. Now let us again move to the 4 hour time frame to watch this level. Now let me zoom in. This was exactly good resistance for our downward move, but these are the 15 minutes which were expected to hold as a resistance from here, but it is now going upward. Now let us put a long position here. Long position if is here. Now long position. And stop loss, if you put the tight stop loss, it is possible. Because if the 50s, this level holds, then the pair is going upward. And but if for the safety, if the stop loss we put on the 4 hour time frame, this is exactly good stop loss. Now, but I don't think that if this is to hold this level, I expect this level. Watch here on the 4 hour time frame. This is the level that is expected not to be broken. This 4 hour. I have analyzed this on the 15 minutes time frame. This is the same level. You can watch this again and again to confirm this more. This is analysis, anything can happen, but this will hold, I think. Even if you want to put the stop loss, you can put up to this level also. It's all up to you. But if you want to keep it to give some room to this trade, you may do at 4 hour levels also. But this is the level, this is the good stop loss. Though it looks near. Again, watch on the 4 hour 15 minutes time, it will look quite near. This is the stop loss. This level hold good, and I think that now this first here it was the resistance, now has worked as support, and on the 15 minutes time frame, I think that this level will not be broken. This is my analysis. Okay, now it's all up to you whether you put the stop loss put according to your strategy in the 4 or 15 minutes time frame. If you want to put here, this is also the good level because this was the previous resistance, now support, and is also above this. So I think this will hold as a support, but still we may give some room to this trade. Now let us move to the daily time frame for further, and the 4 hour and the daily time frame. Now this is the entry as this where the market is, the stop loss maximum here. And for take profit options, we have many take profit options now. Now let us zoom in for take profit options. After this entry, we have the options up to this level minimum. Then as many portions and many portions you may divide this. For example, here is one, here is the second, here is the third, here is the fourth, fifth, and so forth and so on. Like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.